I've always had this dream of snowboarding. Why? I don't know. Because I live in one of the hottest cities in the US. But then again, maybe that's the reason. I've never gone snowboarding because there isn't any snow here. So I set 2 goals for this video, which I'll tell you in a bit, because right now we're on our way to buy a snowboard. Well, we're here.
50-50 it says on the back.
50-50.
Yeah.
Oh, this is actually really nice.
Yeah, it's vintage.
This is, so I'm not even a snowboarder.
Oh.
So yeah, I'll take it. 50 bucks, right?
50.
All right, cool.
50 bucks.
50. We're getting a 50 for 50 bucks. All right,
Don't
cool.
get hurt, though.
No, I'm not. I won't. Thank you so much. We got a snowboard, baby. I am a proud owner of a snowboard. And now that we got that out the way, I have a couple things that I need to do first before I show you guys the 2 goals that I have for this video. So this is happening, guys. Yesterday I was buying a snowboard, and today we're going to the sand dunes, baby. That's right. It's the middle of summer and there's absolutely no way that there's gonna be any snow around me in Arizona. So I chose to go to the sand dunes. Here's the plan. I'm gonna pick up my friend, load up a 4-wheeler, a kid's 4-wheeler, get all the items that I need, and drive 3 hours to the glamorous sand dunes. Let's get it, Bubba.
Let's go.
You ready or what?
Yeah.
All right, this thing's all ready to go, baby. Instead of going to Walmart, we don't have to because we got the rope, we got a helmet, and we have jumper cables. Now all we have to do is get the wax for the snowboard. Once we get that, we're good, baby. The only thing is that we don't know if the quad works. We're just kind of going off of hope here, but basically we got like a little sound off of it.
Oh shit.
But I checked the gas and there was literally no gas in it, so we're just gonna throw some gas on and then we're just gonna drive over there, and then once we're there, we'll test it out. We'll try and get it going. Oh, look, Vinny, this is my goal. This is what I was talking to you about, bro. I want to buy one of these.
Really?
Yeah, like
how much are these?
10 bands.
10 bands.
10 bands. This is literally like the goal, bro. I'm trying to buy one of these. And after looking around and confusing the workers a little bit, we finally found the wax that was the one, and we were ready to go.
What up, YouTube?
Yeah, what's your name, bro?
Zach
Zach
at
right
Ski
here.
Pro. Come shop. What's your YouTube?
Lil EG.
Lil EG, yo, subscribe.
Yeah,
Like and subscribe.
baby. All right, we got everything. We on the way now, baby.
Woo!
I think it's like a 3-hour drive. So yeah, it's a 3-hour drive exactly.
Holy
So
shit.
we'll be there in a little bit. Finna go stupid. And while we get some food before we hit the road, I think it's time that I tell you guys one of the 2 goals that I have for this video, which by now you might have guessed it already. I'm gonna sandboard down the highest point of the sand dunes. Welcome to the sand dunes. Basically, the mission today is to learn how to use a snowboard in the sand. I've never snowboarded in my life.
Sand.
Look at this, bro. That's the goal for today. We're gonna see if we can learn how to snowboard today, a sandboard today. Let's get it. Basically, there's gonna be 4 levels to this. We're gonna start small and then move up a little bit and then move up a little bit more before we hit the highest point and drop down from there. So this is the wax right here. Melted, bro. Oh my God.
Better than
Wow. Yeah, it's better than nothing, I guess. But I mean, now I can just do this, no?
nothing. Yeah. And we had it in the car with AC and everything.
We had it in the car with AC, dog. All right, bet. So I got my board. I put on my sneakers. Got the GoPro ready. Let's try this, baby. Let's go. This is the first try, baby. Let's see. It was a very little hill, so we're gonna try and take it up 1 notch. Come on. Not gonna lie, I'm already a little gassed. Let's get it. This is try number 3. I'm ready. Am I ready though? We're not finding much acceleration, but I do find that I could move. I think I just need to go steeper.
Like something like that?
That's steep. This is my attempt at snowboarding, but in the sand. Let's see how it goes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared now. Look how steep that looks. Holy shit. All right. Yeah! I wanted it to move more, but it's not moving at all. So I don't know if it's a wax. I don't think the wax helped, but that got some momentum. So I honestly didn't realize how tiring this thing was gonna be. It's gonna be my 4th time trying it, and I am fucking gassed. Before I get too gassed, I wanna try that big one, because I feel like I can control the board a little bit. The only thing that's gonna suck is the fall, but I'm prepared for it. I'm not prepared for the speed, but I feel like I can control it a little bit. So let's run it. Let me catch my breath. I'm not a snowboarder. I've never gone snowboarding, and I've never even tried sandboarding. But yesterday, I bought this snowboard for $50 on Facebook Marketplace, and I figured, why not? Let's try going down this crazy big sand mountain. So, let's get it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give it a like, give it a comment. Oh! 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 Yo! That's crazy. I just did that shit. That's crazy. We did it, baby. I just did. Can't even stand. I just snowboarded that mountain all the way down here with no experience. Went straight to the top, tried it. It was amazing. But now it gets a little bit harder. I'm gonna get pulled by a 4-wheeler in the sand while I'm on the snowboard. We're moving on to part 2, baby. Now it's time for goal number 2, to get pulled by a 4-wheeler. And at first it didn't turn on, but after charging the battery for a little bit, it turned on. And now we're ready to go. The first thing we're gonna do is
no, God, please, no!
nothing, because it turned off. So I decided to just give up. And so for part 2, I'm gonna be getting pulled by a truck. I feel like I'm filming Jackass, bro. I don't even know why I'm doing this, honestly, but let's go. Yeah, go slow. All right. Slow. Slow, slow, slow. Yeah, go slow, slow, slow. And after trying a good amount of times, I got really tired and decided to give it one last try. Come on, all right.
I'm not gonna lie, that was like the bumpiest one yet.
Yeah, bro, I'm beat. I'm so gassed.
Tell everyone to like and subscribe.
Everybody like and subscribe. Please.